Hi guys, share ko lang, it's been 3 years and 6 months bago tayo nagpalit ng battery sa ating Strada. So the battery was Hitachi, stock battery niya. So 3 years and 6 months. So I heard magandang reviews regarding sa M-Track battery, kaya might as well nag-try po tayo. So nag-swap po ako ng battery plus dagdag ng cash. So total po na nagastos ko ay around 7,000 pesos. Kasama na yung pagkabit. So I hope na mag-last po siya and balitaan ko po kayo. Yun lang. Thank you. Ride safe. Bye-bye. And ayan na guys, tinetesting na po nila. This one is the M-Track 3SM battery. Titanium po siya. Nabili ko ng around 7,000 pesos kasama na installation. Testing and good battery.